Hi, so what's going on, everyone? I'm going to do a quick video for Nio, do a price prediction update in the market for this stock. Currently, we don't have one on our chart, so maybe we could drop one today. In Nio, you guys can see that the market has made a very good move to the upside of late since the beginning of this month. The market did bottom out right there around $3 for Nio, and it's been trending to the upside since then. You can tell that we are knocking on the door currently in Nio at this sell pocket around 450. Will the buyers break that sell pocket to the upside? We're going to talk about that right now. So make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe for more of my videos on my content. So here it is on the 2. Okay, so here is Nio on the 2. What do you guys think about this market? Pretty much shows us like a V-shape. This is what they call like a V-shape recovery. The market goes down and immediately begins to trend back up. That is what the market in Nio currently is doing. On the 2-day chart, I don't see a lot of emphasis that sellers are present. Even here on the 3, we did see sellers hit this 3-day price bar, but then the market is still trending up. Okay, so those buyers are more determined, they're more motivated than the sellers. That's what these 2 3-day price bars mean. That's what it means. Whenever you see a price bar close off of the highs like this bar, it means sellers were there. It means that they were present. It means that they tried to impact price action and bring it down, but they didn't win. On the next 3 days, you can see price go right back up. Okay. Now let's look at this on the 4 for Nio. Look at this. 2 positive, very good, healthy price bars. This one and this current one that we're looking at in Nio now. We still have 9 hours on this current 4-day bar, but it still looks pretty healthy. Okay. Now, the thing that you want to prepare your mind for is that usually when you get a V-shaped recovery, you expect the market to eventually hit a plateau, hit an apex, and then it'll stop and then begin to trade sideways like this. This will be your opportunity to see whether or not these buyers are going to continue to control price to eventually break that market up higher. Okay, so we may be entering that stage to where Nio will consolidate. Okay, so I'm just giving that right now because we are hitting this sell pocket in Nio. This will be a great point for us to begin to see Nio begin to consolidate and let these buyers hold these sellers so that eventually they can break the stock back up to the higher levels. Okay, now let's look at Nio on the 5-hour chart. We're going to go ahead and get rid of this sell pocket there for Nio. Here it is on the 3-hour chart. We're just looking at this on the 3 hours just to see where these buyers are located for Nio. Here it is on the 1-hour chart. So like this area right here will be a buy pocket. Okay, so we're going to create that and show that on our chart for Nio. Here's another one. And then let's do one more down here. Okay, so right now, you can do one of 2 things. You can either sit the sideline to see whether or not the market buyers will break this sell pocket, or will the sellers become more active and bring the market back down to one of these buy pockets. Or you can actually play this, looking for the market in Nio to continue to trend up higher in price to where you want to look for the next sell pocket that price could be aiming for. Okay, so that next sell pocket for us would be right around here. So we're not even that far in Nio for us to see that market get rejected at the next sell point. And we'll do one right around here. Well, let me bring this one up. Let's give it a little bit more space. So now We did get this buy signal triggered on our software from yesterday. So we are going to anticipate higher prices in Nio. But again, I'm telling you right now, if the market participants don't break this sell pocket right now in Nio, we're going to see price go down. Okay, we're knocking on the door now. So we're going to see if the sellers are going to answer, because if they answer, then look for the market in Nio to go down. I want to be one of the first ones to tell you that. So if it happens, you can't say that I didn't give you a heads up. Okay, now we're going to try to target this next sell pocket though, either at the low or the high of the pocket. At the high is like $4.65. That gives us 7.66% there. And then the other target we're going to do is around like $5. That's around 15.08% there. Okay, so I'm trying to look at this on the minute chart to see if these sellers are actually coming through. Okay. Now this is good to see right here that the market price was able to hit that sell pocket. Sellers became active. They pushed the price down, but look at how fast the demand came back and brought the price back to that pocket. So the sellers are like, dang, I just tried to move the market away from this pocket and you guys brought the price right back. That's exactly what happened. And we're going to see if these sellers are going to become even more active and sell more Nio into the market. Because if they do, then yeah, be prepared for price to go lower. But given what we've seen, here it is on the monthly chart. That's a very good month here too for Nio. Weakness came on the prior month for the month of March. Here it is in April. We're seeing the market currently closing at the high of the bar, which resembles buyers trying to control the price. Okay. All right, so yeah, I'm finished. Give me your thoughts. Let me know your opinion in the comment section below. Make sure you guys maintain profit. And as always, trade different.